What is oscillating granulator? What is the purpose of oscillating granulator? Mean, for which purpose oscillating granulator is used in pharmaceutical industries. Explanation with practical experience and observation, and what are the components of oscillating granulator. All these topics we will discuss in this video. So after watching this video you will get complete information regarding oscillating granulator. Hello everyone, I am Sajad, and if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. So let's start our video. Oscillating granulator. What is the oscillating granulator? Oscillating granulator is an equipment which is used in pharmaceutical industries for crushing the granules. Mean, we use oscillating granulator in pharmaceutical industries for sieving or crushing the dried granules. Oscillating granulator is also used for screening of slugs, and oscillating granulator is also used for sieving of powders during sieving step of wet granulation, dry granulation and direct compression. But the main purpose of oscillating granulator is to crush the dried granules to obtain uniform size granules which pass through a sieve which is installed in the oscillating granulator. So which size of granules we are going to obtain in a granulation like wet granulation or dry granulation mainly depends on the sieve number or mesh number which is installed in oscillating granulator. What are the other name of oscillating granulator? Oscillating granulator is also known as dry granulator or simply the oscillating granulator. So what is the principle of oscillating granulator? If you have not watched oscillating granulator in pharmaceutical industries, I tried to draw a rough diagram. Basically, it is a vertical diagram, but practically it is in horizontal size. Mean, if you take this diagram as outside the board, here we have hopper from where we feed our granules in the hopper. This one is the sieving chamber or milling chamber. This one is the rotor, and this one is the discharge chute, and it is the container in which we collect our sieved granules. Basically these are the components of oscillating granulator. This one is hopper, milling chamber. Here we have installed a sieve, and this one is rotor. This one is the discharge chute. Mechanical chamber is also available here. We will discuss the components of mechanical chamber and electrical chamber as well. So if you have not watched the oscillating granulator, you can simply understand from this diagram how it works or what is the working principle. It works on the principle of oscillation. Mean, the rotor rotates to and fro around its axis. It is a continuous motion. The rotor or arm of oscillating granulator movement is in this pattern. So it works on the principle of oscillation and apply force on the granules and crush them and force them to pass through the sieve which is installed below the rotor, and after passing these granules through this sieve they are collected into the collecting drum. So this is the simple working or principle of oscillating granulator. Now what are the components of oscillating granulator? This is the hopper from where we add granules into the hopper or powder into the hopper. Next one is the milling chamber. This box is milling chamber. Mean, milling or sieving or screening take place in this portion. Next one is a sieve. A half moon shaped sieve is installed into the oscillating granulator. Mean, if our rotor is in this position, we install a sieve in this half moon pattern, mean our sieve is covering the area from here to here in the milling chamber, and our rotator or rotor, basically it is 5 edge straight rod which rotates in oscillating pattern, mean it move around its axis in to and fro movement and apply force and pressure over the granules. So these granules are crushed and pass through the sieve which is installed here and pass through the chute and are collected in this chamber. So this is the milling chamber. Sieve is half moon shape sieve, mean we apply sieve in this pattern. Next one is rotor. As we discussed, rotor is a long shaft. It has 5 edges and it rotates around its edges and apply pressure over the granules to crush them. Next one is the discharging chute, and next one is mechanical chamber. Mechanical chamber is basically a box installed behind it where our motor and gearbox is installed. Next one is the electric panel. In electric panel we have electric supplies like electric wires and switches and buttons are available. So this is all about oscillating granulator. This diagram is in vertical position. Basically the oscillating granulator is a horizontal structure. If you take it away from the box, it is in this position. We add grains from the above side. Our rotor rotate in the milling chamber. Here we have sieve. Here our rotator rotate in to and fro pattern and crush the granules. Below we have discharging chute and collect our granules in the collecting drum. So if you like the video, share it to others, and till the next video, Allah Hafiz.